COVID-19 restrictions are being eased in Western Australia, allowing families and friends to interact more freely. Reporter James Carmody joins us from Perth. Good morning, James. What can you tell us?
Lisa, good morning. Those restrictions in Western Australia limiting people to gathering with only 2 persons were in place for about a month, but they've been relaxed today, and now Western Australians can gather indoors or outdoors with up to 10 people. And the advice for acceptable reasons for leaving the home have also been relaxed. And along with essential reasons, people are told they can now leave the home to take part in non-contact recreational activities, such as a picnic in the park, camping or fishing. Now, these gatherings will still be confined to social distancing rules where people need to keep a distance of at least 1.5 metres between one another, and they'll also be bound by the other restrictions that are still in place here in Western Australia, including the regional travel bans, which restrict movement across 9 of the regional areas in Western Australia. That comes despite some good news out of the north of WA yesterday, where all active cases in the Kimberley, no longer active those cases are, because everyone there who had the virus has now recovered. There's some other easing of restrictions that went along with that announcement yesterday. We're seeing home opens and display villages now allowed to resume operating. And weddings here can now take place with up to 10 people. They were previously confined to 5 people, but that's brought weddings on par with funerals in Western Australia. And we're told that personal training with groups of up to 10 can also resume, but if they maintain that social distancing and don't share equipment. Public playgrounds, public gym equipment and skate parks and the like are still off limits. And we're told that it'll be a while yet before restaurants and cafes are allowed to reopen, along with some other businesses. But it's expected that this easing of restrictions will allow people to move around more, connect better with friends and family. And it's also expected to encourage some of the private sector to ease some of the self-imposed measures that they put in place. It's thought that there will be more people returning to work who had been working from home. So we're seeing here in Western Australia, in a week's time, train services will resume to 100%. And from Wednesday, bus services will be back running a full timetable in time for schools to return.